Are you trusting your safety and professional reputation to a camera that might fail when you need it most? Today, we are breaking down the absolute best body cameras for security and surveillance, so you never miss a critical moment. Seven, BOBLOV W4. When I first got my hands on this camera, I was immediately struck by its incredibly compact form factor. It is exceptionally lightweight, which makes it very easy to clip onto a shirt pocket or a backpack strap without feeling weighed down. For casual users looking for an entry-level surveillance device, the initial out-of-the-box experience presents a seemingly convenient, low-profile design that does not draw too much attention. The signature feature of the W4 is its 360-degree rotatable lens, which theoretically allows you to adjust the recording angle on the fly. In my testing, being able to quickly twist the lens to point in the right direction was handy for specific framing, but I quickly noticed that the rotation mechanism feels quite fragile. Over the course of just a few days of active use, the lens dial became noticeably loose, making me seriously worry about its long-term durability in a rigorous, physically demanding security environment. When it comes to video quality, the daytime footage is generally acceptable for the budget price point, capturing faces and surrounding details reasonably well in bright natural sunlight. However, as soon as the sun goes down, the camera completely struggles to keep up. During my night shifts, the lack of proper, high-quality infrared capabilities meant that the low-light footage was excessively grainy and largely unusable for capturing any reliable evidence, which is a major compromise for any professional surveillance application. Audio recording on the W4 is functional, picking up nearby conversations clearly if the person is standing right in front of you. Unfortunately, the battery life leaves a lot to be desired when put to a real test. Number 6, BOBLOV M5. This model immediately feels like a massive step up in terms of physical build quality when compared to the W4. The moment I unboxed the M5, its rugged, heavily textured casing gave me the impression of a device built to withstand the physical demands of an active security role. It carries a substantial, dense weight, which translates to a reassuring sense of durability when clipped tightly to a tactical vest. The video quality is a noticeable improvement as well, boasting a 1440p resolution that captures much sharper details during daytime patrols. I was easily able to read license plates from a fair distance. However, the wide-angle lens suffers from an extreme fisheye distortion that is hard to ignore. During my testing, this aggressive curving of the image made reviewing footage somewhat disorienting, and it distorted the edges of the frame enough to make identifying peripheral details unnecessarily difficult. For nighttime operations, the M5 includes built-in infrared lights, which drastically improve visibility in complete darkness compared to entry-level models without IR. While the IR successfully illuminated dark alleyways during my tests, the LED lights are incredibly bright and noticeable. This completely ruins any chance of remaining discreet on the job, and I also found that the intense IR lights occasionally cause severe glare when reflecting off windows or shiny surfaces, blowing out the footage completely. Navigating the interface on the BOBLOV M5 is straightforward thanks to the integrated backscreen, allowing for quick playback in the field. Yet, the physical buttons on the side of the unit are surprisingly stiff and mushy to the touch. When I tested the camera while wearing standard tactical gloves, I found it incredibly frustrating to locate and press the record button reliably. Insta360 GO Ultra. This camera is a massive departure from traditional bulky security cameras. When I first took it out of its charging case, I was blown away by just how incredibly tiny and lightweight it is. It is no larger than your thumb, which immediately opens up an entirely new world of possibilities for plainclothes security, undercover work, or simply discreet daily civilian use. The mounting system is where the GO Ultra truly shines. Instead of relying on heavy-duty alligator clips that ruin your clothing, it utilizes a powerful magnetic ecosystem. I tested the magnetic pendant by wearing it directly under my shirt, and the camera simply snapped onto my chest seamlessly. It practically disappeared on my clothing, providing a level of discretion and wearing comfort that absolutely no other camera on this list can even come close to matching. Performance-wise, the Insta360 GO Ultra features the brand's legendary flow state stabilization technology. I took this camera on a rigorous field test that involved full-on sprinting and navigating uneven, rocky terrain, and the resulting footage looked as incredibly smooth as if it were shot on a professional cinematic gimbal. For active pursuit or simply walking a large perimeter, the stable, jitter-free video is an absolute game changer for post-incident review. The video resolution is wonderfully crisp, and the colors are perfectly vibrant, capturing incredibly lifelike footage in various lighting conditions. Furthermore, the integration with the Insta360 smartphone app makes exporting and editing clips an absolute breeze. I was able to wirelessly transfer important moments to my phone in a matter of seconds, bypassing the need to plug the camera into a computer, which is a massive time saver when you need to share evidence quickly. 4. BOBLOV A22. Unlike the cheaper W4, the A22 feels incredibly solid and premium in the hand. The build quality is tight and professional, and its sleek rectangular profile makes it very easy to slip into a chest pocket or mount securely onto a tactical harness without feeling overly obtrusive or top-heavy. The absolute standout feature here is the 180-degree manually rotating lens. I extensively tested this during vehicle patrols and regular foot rounds. Because you can independently angle the lens, I was able to clip the camera flat against my tactical vest and simply tilt the lens upward to capture faces perfectly. The rotation mechanism is incredibly smooth but holds its position firmly, ensuring your framing stays exactly where you set it even during heavy, dynamic movement. Another massive advantage of the A22 is the bright, clear screen located directly beneath the lens setup. Being able to review footage instantly in the field is an absolute necessity for modern security work. Whenever I needed to verify a recorded interaction or check my framing before starting a long shift, the screen provided immediate visual feedback without forcing me to rely on external devices, laptops, or clunky companion applications. Battery life and storage management on the A22 are exceptionally reliable and built for the long haul. Armed with a massive 2200 mAh battery, the camera easily powered through my entire rigorous testing protocol without breaking a single sweat. Moreover, it handles continuous loop recording flawlessly, automatically managing storage space so that you are never caught with a full memory card right as a critical incident begins to unfold. The BOBLOV A22 hits a fantastic sweet spot between functionality, price, and daily reliability. It totally avoids the pitfalls of cheaper models while providing genuinely useful professional features like the rotating lens and built-in display. 3. Motorola VB400. This is exactly where we enter the realm of true, enterprise-grade hardware. From the very moment I picked up the VB400, it was instantly clear that this device was engineered for the most demanding environments imaginable. It has an incredibly tough, weather-sealed exterior that exudes absolute resilience, clearly designed to survive the harsh realities of frontline law enforcement and high-level corporate security. What truly sets the VB400 apart during my testing was its seamless integration into larger security ecosystems. This isn't just a standalone basic camera, it is a vital node in a comprehensive video management network. When I connected it to the Motorola software suite, the automatic offloading of footage and secure evidence management blew me away. It is specifically tailored for fleet operations where tight chain of custody and data security are absolute top priorities. Perhaps the most critical feature I tested on the VB400 is its extended pre-record function. In high-stress security work, things happen in a rapid flash. The VB400 continuously buffers video in the background, meaning that when I finally pressed the large, tactile record button, the camera had already saved the precious minutes leading up to the event. This feature alone guarantees that the crucial context of any altercation is never lost to a delayed human reaction. In terms of pure endurance, The VB400 is an absolute beast. It easily lasted well beyond a grueling 12-hour shift in my field tests, keeping a strong charge even in near-freezing temperatures. I also heavily subjected it to pouring rain and accidental drops against hard concrete, and the camera simply shrugged off the abuse, continuing to record flawless, high-definition video as if nothing had happened. Its ruggedness is truly second to none. 2. Transcend DrivePro Body 30. This camera has earned a legendary reputation in the security industry, and after thoroughly testing it myself, I completely understand why. The design is robust, highly utilitarian, and distinctly professional. It feels exactly like a premium piece of tactical gear, utilizing a reinforced chassis that is clearly designed to withstand the daily grind of an active patrol unit. Where the DrivePro Body 30 absolutely obliterates the competition is its phenomenal low-light capability. It utilizes a high-sensitivity image sensor that completely changes the game for night shifts. While testing in incredibly dark alleyways where other cameras relied heavily on glaring IR lights, the Transcend managed to capture full-color, highly detailed footage using only the faint ambient street lighting. It provides a massive tactical advantage by allowing you to record clearly while remaining completely discreet. Another major area where this camera reigns supreme is its staggering battery life. Transcend has managed to pack an incredibly efficient power management system into this unit. During my stress tests, it continuously recorded for up to 12 straight hours on a single charge without requiring a battery swap or a mid-shift top-up. You can literally strap it on at the very beginning of your long day and completely forget about battery anxiety. Durability is another massive cornerstone of the DrivePro Body 30. It carries a strict IP67 rating for dust and heavy water resistance, alongside certified military-grade shock resistance. I practically tortured this camera by dropping it from significant heights and fully submerging it in water. It never dropped a single frame of footage. The large front-facing record button is perfectly placed, ensuring that activating the camera is completely instinctive even in chaotic, adrenaline-fueled moments. 1. BOBLOV M7. After weeks of rigorous, side-by-side testing, this camera proved itself to be the ultimate, no-compromise surveillance tool. It beautifully combines the ruggedness of enterprise models with a suite of incredibly intelligent features that make operating it an absolute joy. The physical design is modern, incredibly tough, and intuitively laid out, representing the absolute pinnacle of BOBLOV's engineering capabilities. The video quality on the M7 is simply breathtaking. It captures expansive footage with incredibly sharp 4K clarity and perfectly balanced contrast. Whether I was recording under the glaring midday sun or walking through dimly lit indoor corridors, the visual fidelity remained impeccably high. Every single facial feature, every passing license plate, and every minor environmental detail is captured with a level of precision that provides indisputable, broadcast quality evidence. The absolute game-changing feature of the M7, and the main reason it easily secures the top spot, is its automatic image rotation. In my field tests, no matter how I mounted the camera, whether I clipped it upside down on a belt loop or sideways on a bag strap, the internal sensor instantly recognized the orientation and automatically corrected the video file. You never have to worry about manually rotating footage in post-production ever again. It is perfectly upright every single time. Furthermore, the M7 is completely packed with premium quality-of-life enhancements. It boasts an incredibly fast charging system, ensuring that even if you forget to charge it overnight, a quick top-up will get you safely through your entire shift. It also features a massive internal storage capacity and a highly intuitive menu system that allows you to easily toggle settings, including a very handy dashcam mode for when you are rapidly transitioning between foot patrols and vehicle use.